Hi everyone, I'm Astha Barbate from Team Alexer and today I'm showing you Legion, our project built for the hackathon part AI hackathon. So this is what the dashboard looks like. First let me tell you about the project. Normally the companies have tons of documents but standard search tools can't just connect the dots and understand the timeline. Leads to AI models making things up. Legion solves this by building a clean connected memory graph of all your files. So, firstly, this is what the dashboard of our project looks like. Then, now we'll move forward to know talk about the tech stack and the architecture of the project. So, here we've built a front end with Next.js for a smooth, interactive, and dashboard, and the backend using fast APIs for the memory core, we use Cogni. That's what the hackathon was about, totally. When we upload a file, Cogni processes it using the remember function that is stated here, and then moving forward, it also utilizes the fast embedded for local embeddings, SQLite to local vector databases for storage, and OpenAI GPT-4o Mini for the reasoning part. Then Cognify pipeline automatically builds the semantic knowledge graph connecting the entities. So these are the functions that are stated in our hackathon are used here. The recall. Now moving forward, there are more the functions that are also used here. So moving forward, we can now let's look at the demo first. So now we're gonna click on the. So this is where the project is been live on the Vercel lab. So here is I have put some mock data, the not mock data but the dummy data. I will click on the first, and then we're gonna sign in. Let's wait